Hi 5th grade bass players. This is a tutorial on the song Frere, which you will probably recognize if you don't already. Here's how it goes. This song is really meant to be played in a round. So if one person were to start playing this song, the second person could come in a little bit after and they would sound really cool together. Okay, so our first few notes are D, E, F sharp, D, try that, ready, go. Good, let's try it twice in a row. 1, 2, ready, go. Time, D, E, F sharp, D, D, E, F sharp, D. Next part is F sharp, G, A, F sharp, G, A. Okay, let's put those parts together. D, E, F sharp, D, ready, go now. Let's try that one more time. Get ready to play now, go. Okay, now this part is a little bit faster, but we're going to slow it down. A, B, A, G, F sharp, D. Let's go even slower. A, B, A, G, try that, ready, go. One more time. A, B, A, G. Then F sharp, D. Put those parts together. A, B, A, G, F sharp, D. Try it again. Ready, go. Now. Okay, let's try it twice in a row. Listen first. Again. Okay, your turn. Find one finger A. 1 and 2 and go. Now. Again. 1. Then the last part is D, open A, D, D, open A, D, go. Okay, let's try the entire song, putting those parts together. Get ready for D, E, get ready to play now. F sharp. Repeat. Okay, please feel free to pause and practice any chunk that needed some work, and keep up the good work. I'll see you soon.